Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Mini Cooper gear knob. Upgrading your gear knob can significantly enhance your driving experience and interior aesthetics. Before we begin, gather a few essential tools. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool, a small flathead screwdriver, and potentially a hex key, depending on your new knob. Always ensure your Mini is in neutral with the handbrake firmly engaged. Also, place a protective cloth around the gear shift base to prevent any scratches to your console. Now let's remove the old gear knob. First, gently pry up the shift boot trim ring from the console using your plastic trim tool. For automatic transmission models, you might find a small wiring plug underneath. Carefully disconnect this. Next, grip the knob firmly with both hands and pull it straight up. It often requires significant force, so be prepared for a sudden release. Once free, separate the old knob from the shift boot by releasing any clips holding them together. With the old knob removed, it's time to install your new one. Begin by attaching the shift boot to the new gear knob, ensuring all clips align correctly. Next, slide any necessary adapter collars or stainless steel cores onto the shift lever. Then, carefully place the new gear knob onto the lever, making sure any internal slots or cutouts line up. Finally, secure the knob by pushing it down firmly until it clicks, or by tightening any provided hex screws with a 5/64 hex driver, if applicable. To complete the installation, perform a few final checks. First, ensure your new gear knob is securely seated and doesn't twist or wobble. For automatic models, remember to reconnect any electrical plugs you disconnected earlier. Next, align the shift boot trim ring with the console opening and firmly press it down until all clips engage. Lastly, test all gear changes to confirm smooth and proper operation. Enjoy your refreshed Mini Cooper interior with your brand new gear knob.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.